Automatic filling capping machine. Switch on the main power of the machine. Turn on the conveyor and adjust the speed knob. Use the yellow button to lower the nozzles into the bottles. Then adjust the liquid filling speed using the red knob as required. After the bottles are filled, use the yellow button again to raise the nozzles. Press the green button to lift the nozzles and move the next set of bottles forward. In the capping section, switch on the machine. Set the speed to the required level. The green button activates automatic operation. Use the red knob to adjust the rotator and conveyor speed. The yellow button is used for manual settings, allowing you to control the nozzle movement or make adjustments as needed. Adjustable for different bottle heights and diameters by changing nozzle and capping positions. Simple controls with start-stop buttons, speed adjustment, and manual nozzle movement. The red emergency button stops the machine instantly. Stainless steel body and drip-free nozzles ensure a clean and hygienic process. Automatically fills and caps bottles, reducing manual labor and increasing production speed. After filling, bottles are conveyed to the capping unit. Bottles are precisely positioned in the rotary star wheel, and each bottle is capped individually. After capping, each bottle is tightly sealed using the capper sealer for a leak-proof closure. Ensures precise liquid volume in each bottle, minimizing product wastage. Capping is completed, and the bottles are now ready for dispatch.